Hello there. My name is Hatem Al-Houshi, and I'm the co-founder of TechFlip. We are a proud technology partner for Cisco Meraki. We are actually the only Saudi company that has a solution that is listed in Cisco Meraki marketplace. But today, participation of us, we are participating in Cisco Meraki Hackathon, and we are so happy to do this with what we believe that this is a breakthrough in the analytics area in terms of the public Wi-Fi and the guest Wi-Fi. So, to give a quick introduction about our solution, I need to go back to one of the customer segments that we are serving. We are dealing in a good we're dealing with a good number of food and beverage customers. So our approach is always the analytics based on the user behavior, user online behavior. So they like a lot seeing the usage of their customers in terms of the percentages of their guests, that how many of them are using, or what is the percentage of Facebook usage, the percentage of Snapchat usage, and rest of the websites and applications and social platforms. So they like that so much, but also they needed to classify the customer based on their preference. When I say preference, I mean the preference in terms of the food items or the beverage items that they are ordering, and based on these items, the percentage of user based on the ordering. It sounds not that much easy, but I will with the demo it will the idea would be more much clearer. So we have the POS, the point of sale system, and we have our system which is Kaptifi, and we have Cisco Meraki, which is the access points and the entire infrastructure. So what we did is that we integrated the point of sale system with our guest Wi-Fi solution that is retrieving the API from Cisco Meraki. Why we would do that? Why would do an integration between completely three irrelevant solutions, especially when I'm talking about the food, the point of sales. So the point is that we know how much usage of Facebook within the users or the guests that are coming into the shop or the coffee shop or the restaurants. But we cannot classify them based on their food preference. So, for example, the people that they like to order gelato more, what is the social media behavior? The people that they are more into coffee, what is their social media preference? So what that will help with, it will help them to be able to retarget their customers on social media based on their preference. So the scenario is that we have, for example, the people that they like gelato more, they like Facebook more, or they like YouTube more. So that means that me as a coffee shop owner or the digital marketing in charge person will do campaigns on Snapchat for my customers on the gelato items only, and like that, likewise on every other item. So to make that clear, what you can see here is that when I click in gelato, and this is a category, a food category, so you will see that the gelato, the people that they order gelato more, they are using YouTube more, and then they are using Snapchat, and then Twitter. But when I go, for example, for iced coffee, it will change. So you will see that they are more into YouTube and then Twitter and then Pinterest. So now I know that my customers, when I do a campaign in YouTube, then I will target mojito. I will target the cool beverage, let's say. But when I do campaigns, digital campaigns on gelato, also I will go to YouTube, but next is yeah, Snapchat and Twitter. So how that works? First of all, you will need to log into the splash page. But the splash page, I need also to show you that you can easily build it in Captify. It's a builder where you can, if you can just give me, yeah, if you, we will go to the builder, and then you can see how easy you can build. You can add text file, you can add text area, you can add a number or a password. You can make you can do even a checklist if you want to design a survey or whatsoever, and this will be the end result. But of course, you can customize your own design for the splash page. Next, once you finish the splash page, this is how it will look like, and then the user will enter the receipt number that is coming from the POS system or the point of sale system. So this is very essential because we will retrieve the data from the point of sales based on that, and we'll be able to classify the usage based on the receipt number. The receipt number is connected to the MAC address of the mobile. If you can see in that link, here is the MAC address of the client ID, which is based on the MAC address of the customer. So now Meraki knows, or I mean, through Kaptifi, we know that this MAC address that ordered gelato, this is their information, and this is the analytics based on that data that we are retrieving from the POS. So to go back to our okay, again, then how to do the setup? We will go to the API configuration. Then you are putting Meraki API key, and then you need also to copy and paste the point of sales API key. Forex is one of the most important and one of the market leaders in terms of point of sales in Saudi Arabia. But we are able now to do the integration with multiple point of sales worldwide. Then once you do that, then you will be able to retrieve the data. If you can see here, we are loading the data, then we are choosing the organization, and then we are choosing the network, because you can have multiple networks. And then when you go again to the home page, I mean the analytics, once you do the configuration, then you'll be able to see these analytics that are retrieved from Meraki and matching the data that are retrieved from the point of sales. It's not only about the category, it's about the product also. You can see, because here we can see the people that they are ordering items under the gelato category, whatever the item name is, but also you can see based on the item itself. So the gelato cone fans or buyers, they are more into Snapchat, while if you go to for example, red lemonade, you'll see they are more into, um, as you can see, because the solution is built in 2 days. So we are trying our best to make the most viable solution. Okay, so it seems like no one is ordering, or no data yet retrieved from the people that they ordered red lemonade. But anyways, as you can see, from gelato, yeah, this is gelato kg, for example. Sorry for that. So gelato kg, this is one of the items. So they are more into YouTube statistical. Maybe they are using some websites that they are doing statistics, but they are more into YouTube and Akami and other. I mean, Facebook even is coming late here. So that's basically our solution. And to summarize what I've said, we are doing an integration between Meraki and our guest Wi-Fi, which is called Kaptifi. We have been in the market since 2019, doing public Wi-Fi for our customers in Saudi Arabia and some other countries in the world. But we have seen the need for deeper analytics based on the food items. So what we did is we are doing an integration with the point of sales to be able to classify the online usage behavior per customer per order. So the people that they purchase more gelato, they are using YouTube more. The people that they are ordering cold drinks or mojitos, for example, they are using Snapchat more. and also per item we can get the analytics, the usage per item, as you can see. That's all for now. We are so happy to be part of the hackathon, and thank you so much. If you have any question, you can get back to us at any point of time. Thank you.